Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the door catch. Door catches are consumable oven parts that can be bought online at the replacement parts section of the Genlab website. It is important to note that some replacement parts, such as elements or temperature controllers, require engineers, and Genlab have a network of service engineers that are available to help. Firstly, look at the website to select the door catch. These are manufacturer approved, and we do not recommend using other similar catches as they could potentially make the oven unsafe. Items required are a flathead screwdriver, gloves and the replacement door catch. Use the flat-headed screwdriver to gently prise a gap in the existing rubber seal and the door plate. Lever the screwdriver under the door plate, lift it up and then pop it out of the seal and remove it. Putting on the rubber gloves, carefully pull the lagging away from the door catch. Using the same flat-headed screwdriver, undo the screws that fasten the catch to the door. Take the replacement catch and present it to the inside of the door and push through one of the screws on the other side. Fasten the first screw tightly and then repeat this process on the second screw. Once again, using rubber gloves, put the lagging back into place over the top of the bolts and secure it all back down into its original position. Put the door plate back into the seal at an angle and then push one side firmly into place. Gently work round the door, pulling the edges of the seal so that the door plate is seated back into it. Once the seal is all seated correctly, the door can now be secured back into the unit. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.